Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to your small and cute YouTube channel. And in this video today we will discuss about the new topic, that is development of frog. In this video, in development of frog, we will discuss about the embryology about the frog and the formation of embryo in frog, and there are the many sequences during study of embryo of frog, and during the embryo formation some sequence will be discussed here, and we will discuss the structure and some function of the sperm and ova of frog and the fertilization process, how it takes the fertilization in frog. Okay, so don't be delay, let's move ahead about this topic. So today we will discuss about new topic, that is development of frog. In the development of frog, we discuss about the embryology. Okay, about formation of embryo in a frog. In the formation of embryo in frog, you should know the simple basic concept of the embryology. So first of all, what do you mean by the embryology? Embryology. You know the embryo. The simply the embryo is the fusion of the sperm and ovum, and after the formation of zygote, and after the zygote there is the specific change and the modification of the organ. Okay, and there is the organ formation in this period of time, that time. So these types of formation of modification of organ, or that is called the embryo. And embryology means it is the branch of biology. It is the branch of biology. Biology that deals with the study, or that deals with the study of formation of embryo. Formation of embryo. So in this video we will discuss about the formation of embryo or embryology of frog. And embryology of frog, different structure of embryo, or we don't discuss here the structure of embryo, but we will discuss here structure of sperm and ova, how the sperm penetrate into the ova, or sperm penetrate into the ova. So um, I will write here some sequence which are studied after the embryo, or before the formation of embryo, and during the development of embryo. Some sequence or some small notes will be written here by me, and you can note it. Okay, these are the important some of the sequence during the study of formation of embryo. So let's move. So I will erase this, and some of this sequence are right here. Gametogenesis. You already know the gametogenesis. It is the process of formation of gamete in gonads. Okay, process of formation of formation of gametes in gonads. Gonads means what? Gonads is the gland where gamete is produced, gamete is formed. That is the gland. And after the gametogenesis, fertilization. The frog takes the external fertilization in water, Fertilization. What do you mean by fertilization? It is the fusion of what? It is the fusion of male and female gamete. Male and female gamete and formation of zygote and formation of zygote. These are the sequence writing here. And cleavage. You know the cleavage. It is the cleavage means the division process. Cleavage process. It is the process of cleavage of zygote, division of zygote, zygote. So it is a process of breakdown or division of zygote. So it is the process of division of zygote. Division of zygote. I will write here. Division of zygote and blastulation. It also takes process during the formation of embryo in frog. Blastulation, it means the process of formation of hollow means the space, hollow ball cells. So like that, there is the formation of hollow. This is the hollow ball cell. This formation of hollow ball cells is called the blastulation. And after the blastulation, and third one is gastrulation. Gastrulation means it is the movement of embryo. You know the way in the embryonic stage, in the fetal or ovary. In the ovary there is a formation of ova, but in the fetal we can say okay. There is the movement of embryo, and during this movement there is the formation of germ layer. Okay, germinal layer. There is the formation of germinal layer. These are called the primary germ layer. And during the movement of embryo, movement and arrangement also, and arrangement of embryo. There is the formation of what? Formation of primary germ layer or germ layer, you can say primary germ layer. And after gastrulation, there is the organogenesis. Process. Organogenesis means it is the process of formation of organ. New organ is the process of formation of organ. So you can write organ formation. Organ formation means you know any pregnant animal, first of all in the embryonic stage, after the time, okay, and after the living of time there is the changeable in modification of these cells or this embryo, and there is the slowly formation of new organ, like first of all hand and head, like heart. These types of formation and modification in organ, this is called the organogenesis or organ formation. So is it clear? So I repeat, organogenesis means it is the process of formation of new organ or modification of embryo. So after organogenesis, there is the process of differentiation and morphogenesis. And differentiation or morphogenesis, okay, I will write here. Morphogenesis or differentiation, they are similar. Morphogenesis. It is the process of formation of some of the characteristic. So movement. If there is a formation of hand and the hand have some character. Okay, some have this movement of finger, and if the heart is formed and there is the punching of heart also there. So these types of characteristic form in the organ that is called the morphogenesis. We can write here morphogenesis is the process of formation of formation of some characteristics in animal or in embryo. Okay, so these are the some of the sequence which are or which will be studying during the formation of embryo in frog and before the study of embryo. So these are the some sequence, some small notes which will come during the study of the embryo. So you can note it. Okay. Oh, that's okay, guys. I will this also. And after this sequence, we will discuss about the structure of sperm. Okay, and after the structure of sperm, we will discuss about the structure of ovum. So, in the structure of sperm, the sperm is the sperm is elongated shape and it has a long tail and small head also. So we'll discuss in this video. So structure of sperm. So first of all, I will draw a figure of sperm here. So in the sperm, it look like structure and it has a long tail. So it is very long, but it's not happening. Just okay. And there is the one cap-like structure which is called the acrosome. Okay, and there is the presence of one of the nucleus, and there is the presence of centroids, and there is the presence of some mitochondria. So this is the structure of sperm. Okay, this is the structure of sperm. In this figure, you can see there is a one long tail. I can write here it is a long tail, and this is the head, and it has the three part, and another part is present here, this part, and this part. From this part to this part is called the middle piece, and this is the in head there is a present of nucleus, and this is cap like structure, it is called the acrosome, and this is like a one types of acrosome or sperm enzymes, you can say small enzymes, sperm lysine enzymes, and it helps to the penetration of sperm in the ovum during the movement of sperm. When the sperm is moved and it wants to enter the ovum, first of all that acrosome helps to penetration. Okay, we will discuss about this acrosome also. So what are the characteristics of the sperm? Okay, it is elongated and it is movable. Movable means motile. It is a minute microscopic. It is minute microscopic and elongated. Yes or no? It is minute, very minute cells, or what do you think? It is sperm and microscopic. It only seen through the microscope. We can able to see the sperm only through the microscope, and it is elongated, having the large head. It has a large head, large nucleus. Okay, nucleus in head, having a long tail, having a long tail. And you can write this is the epiphyse. Okay, epiphyse, end. Epiphyse is not important, but oh, what is this? This is the centroids. This is the function of centroids and mitochondria. This is the mitochondria. I will write MH, mitochondria. Okay, MH is the mitochondria in my view. Okay, this is the centroids and this is the mitochondria. There are the function of mitochondria and the centroids. So what is the function of centroids and mitochondria? So mitochondria, the mitochondria is the powerhouse of cell. Why it's called the powerhouse of cell? Because in the mitochondria there is a present of protein and it form the protein. Okay, that's why they are called the powerhouse of protein. Okay, and powerhouse of cell. So mitochondria gives the energy. Mitochondria gives or provide the energy for movement of sperm. Movement of sperm. So mitochondria provide the energy for movement of sperm, and that centroids. The centroids provide the energy. Centroids provides, and centroids provides, or centroid provides the energy to diffuse or division of zygote. Okay, and that centroids helps to division of what? Division of zygote, or you can say cleavage. When you make cleavage is the division of zygote. Okay, centroids provides the division of zygote. Okay, And what this mitochondria and the centroids are present in mitochondria and centroids are present in this middle piece. Okay, this is the all about the middle piece are present in middle piece. So they are the all are present in the middle piece. And last one is tail. And the function of tail. Alright, the function of tail is just helps to the movement of sperm and to move ahead to sperm. It is long and filamentous. We will write here that tail is a long and sperm, that locomotion of sperm occurs in the liquid that tails. Okay, alright here. Tails helps to locomotion of sperm in liquid which attain in the egg. So the egg is formed in the ova. Ova is called the egg. In the ova there is the presence of one of the nucleus, and this is the nucleus. Okay. So these are the structure of sperm. So actually the sperm is divided into the three types: head, middle piece, and tail. In the head there is the presence of acrosome and the nucleus. And in the middle piece there is the presence of centroids and mitochondria. Mitochondria have also formula, it gives the energy for movement of the sperm, and centroids have also energy, it helps to the cleavage of zygote. And similarly in tails have also the locomotion of the sperm on reaching to the egg, and it fertilizes with them to formation of zygote. So these are the function and the structure of sperm. And after this we are going to discuss about the ova. So you can note it. Okay, let me erase this. Let me erase this, guys. Okay. Now is structure of unfertilized ova. Structure of unfertilized ova. So I will draw the figure of ova from here over the whiteboard on the left side. Is the shape of ova, and in the ova there is the differences of the color. Okay, I will write here. This is the yellow, yellowish color or yellow color, small yellow, black color. Okay, there the black color is present. So assume that this is the white, yellow color. This is the black color. This is the black color, and this is the yellow color. And this phase, this upper phase is called the animal hemisphere, and this is called the vegetal hemisphere. Vegetal hemisphere, and there is a, in the black color there is the presence of nucleus. Okay, this is the structure of ova, and which is spherical. It is non-motile. Okay, sperm is motile. It is non-motile. I will write here some characteristic of the sperm. It is, oh sorry, it is oval in shape, oval, round in structure. Okay, ST means structure, and non-motile. Non-motile means have no any moment. Okay, they are non-motile, and there is also not present of tail. You are saying that there is the present of tail or not? No tail, without tail, and without tail, without tail. Well, some of the characteristics shown by this ova. Some of the characteristics shown by this ova are flowing middle, like that been discussed here. In this figure, you've seen this phase, this black phase. It is divided into the two types. This sperm is structurally divided into two types. Uh, it is structurally divided into two types. It has two halves. Okay, it has halves, that is upper half is called this upper half is called animal hemisphere. Animal hemisphere, which contain nucleus, and the lower part is called what, vegetal or vegetal hemisphere, which is yellow in color. That yellow color is called yolk. Okay, that is yolk. That is yolk. You know the yolk. You already told you, but I repeat again. That yolk is the one of the substances. Okay, semi-solid, semi-liquid substances, and there is the present of yellowish color, and in the egg of inner side there is a present of yellow color of substances, of yellow color of semi-solid or semi-liquid color. You can say that is the yolk. In the egg you can find the yolk. So similarly, same, these are same. Okay, these are same. Lower half. And the center of the animal hemisphere, the center of the animal hemisphere, there is the present of nucleus. Okay, vegetal hemisphere or vegetative hemisphere. And this sperm is covered by one of the transparent membranes. That transparent membrane of this sperm is covered by the two transparent membrane. Okay, this transparent membrane is called the Betaine membrane. I will write Betaine membrane. Betaine membrane. There are the two types of membrane is covered. These two membranes are the Betaine membrane. Okay, membrane. These two are other betaine membrane. And after this betaine membrane, and other. Okay, you know this sperm is the secondary maturation phase or secondary. Yeah, secondary phase. Secondary phase means, you know that in the secondary phase we have already discussed in the secondary oogonocytes. In the oogonocytes there is the maturation phase and secondary. In this process there is the presence of polar bodies also. So in this there is also presence of one of the egg. There is the presence of this the polar bodies. Polar body. And if there is a two polar body also formed during the formation of sperm. And after that something the betaine membrane, you already know this. Okay, this is the polar body and nucleus yolk, that is yellow. Yellowish color is the yolk. So there is nothing, just you can remember it. This is converted into 12 and the upper half is called the hemisphere, animal hemisphere, and lower half is called the vegetal or vegetative hemisphere. Vegetative hemisphere. Okay, and these are the polar bodies in the animal hemisphere. There is the presence of nucleus, and the lower side there is the vegetative hemisphere. There is the presence of yolk, and this is covered by the two transparent membrane that is called the Betaine membrane. So there is nothing, just remember it and notice for it. This is the important for competition examination. And after this video we will discuss about the fertilization of frog, how the sperm and the ova fertilize to each other in the water. Okay, you know in the frog there is the external fertilization takes place. In the external fertilization takes place in the frogs. So there first of all the sperm penetrate into the ova. So it is nodding. So we'll discuss upcoming video about the fertilization of zygote, fertilization, external fertilization of frog. So for today this is enough, and again I will request you guys upcoming video, not now. So for now I want to stop this, and there was some mistake during my speaking and writing, so I would like to say sorry for that. Okay, so have a good day and bye bye.